Hi everyone, I'm Clarissa and I'll be unboxing this AMAZFIT mystery box. But first, let me call someone so I can share the happiness. Here.
Hello. Hi, I'm Clarita. What is this?
Wow, these are AMAZFIT mystery box. So I don't know what's inside. We have to see. Okay, come, let's open.
Oh,
It's quite heavy.
oh. Yeah, it's really quite heavy. I wonder what's inside.
There's a lot of gift in there.
A lot of surprise. Oh,
Wow. They got a cat. Oh my god, try.
this one. Yeah, I need to try.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I look really good. Do I look good?
Yes, oh my god, it's nice.
Yes.
Oh, they got a postcard. If you want to send your friends gift, you can write it there.
This one also.
A letter for this one.
Oh, they also got this. They got quite a lot of stuff inside. Also got this. Okay.
This one, t-shirt. Wow.
T-shirt.
Wow. It's a dry fit t-shirt. Oh my god. Hold on, yeah.
Wow.
I'll try it on later. What's next?
Next is this. Do you see something inside the
Oh,
box?
it's a
What is
mystery
that?
box. AMAZFIT box with a question mark.
Wow, with a big question mark. I wonder what's inside.
Yeah.
Let's open it up.
Let's see. Okay, here we go. So this is the big review of the main gift in there with a lot of side gift. I'm so happy.
Wow, they really have a lot of gifts this time.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. I'm looking forward to this box.
It's time to 3,
2,
1.
wow! Wow! This is the GTR. Wow, it's the GTR Pro. Wow!
Advanced
God.
biosensor, all-round health
Oh,
tracking,
This smartwatch is really very good.
150 sports mode, music storage, and playback. Oh.
Wow!
So it got quite a lot of features, yeah?
Wow, there's a lot of features over here. Can you open this up to see?
Sure.
Okay, let's open this up.
Oh my god, big review. Big
This is the
review.
big review. We are also opening this for the first time, okay?
For the first time, yeah.
For the first time ever. As
And there
you
we
can
have
see, everything is still inside the packaging. Everything is still unpacked. And all this is also new to us. So what you'll be seeing here is also what we are seeing for the first time. Wow, it's the GTR 3 Pro. Guys, wow. This smartwatch, guys.
Perfect.
Wow.
Oh, the strap is so comfortable. Hold on.
Oh, the box is also very nice. It looks very expensive. Whoa. Look at that. Wow, this is the... Wow. Okay. I'm gonna watch.
Suits me. Huh? Suits me.
Up your game. Wow, what's amazing about this watch is it has 150 sports mode. That's not what you find in a lot of smartwatches these days.
Oh damn. After viewing all this gift, right, I was so fascinated by the gift, right, that I didn't realize that AMAZFIT actually changed their logo. Look,
Oh, wow. Yeah, I didn't realize. Yeah, they changed their logo.
it's on your cap too. And the shirt, oh my god. I'm so excited by
Nice.
the gift that I didn't realize at all.
Wow.
I just changed my shirt to the AMAZFIT shirt. It's very airy. And then this, a whole outfit here.
Okay, let's get started with the watch. Wow, what is this? Wow, the watch is 1.45 inch AMOLED. Did you know?
Ultra HD.
Yeah, with Ultra HD as well.
Do you also know that it's 12-day battery life?
Oh, is it?
Up to
Wow.
12-day battery life. No. It's
Very long.
Yeah.
Very long lasting.
Yes.
And you only need to charge once every 12 days. Wow, that's like twice a month only. Wow, it's very convenient.
Yeah, and also it has 150 plus watts mode.
Oh.
And also 150 watch face. They also have animated watch face.
Wow, shall we take a look and try this watch out?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get into the app.
ZEPP.
Yes, so in this app, this is the front page, the home page. So I haven't started pairing yet. Let's try to pair. This is the health and under the profile. Oh, that device. Oh, very easy. All I have to do is just click these few buttons. And over here, you show the QR code. Okay,
Let's see.
And now it's pairing. Okay, wow, very fast. The pairing is very fast. Then you have to click accept the binding request. And now it's binding. You can see the app.
It's a fast process.
Whoa, that's very. And this one also have 24-hour blood oxygen measurement. Yeah. Wow. And if all the measurement you can be done with one tap only. Yeah. So it's very convenient. Oh,
This outdoor running, walking, that's most of the watch also have. Or you can just one day you don't know what to do, right? You can just scroll and see what activity you want to do. It's like,
Yes,
what
that's
should I do today? Oh, I should go swimming. Oh, I should go climbing. I cannot decide what I want to do, so I just look at this.
okay, maybe we can see the one tap measurement where you can measure your heart rate, SpO2 and stress level, and also your breathing. Wow, did you know
Right.
that? You can measure all four with just one tap. Wow, let's take a look.
Click this,
Mm-hmm.
and it's here. The one tap
Ooh.
measurement. Then the blood oxygen is here too.
Mm.
Here we go. Try with the one tap.
Very lightly. And remain still. You have to remain still with the measurement. Da-da-da.
Wow.
Wow, you quite stressed.
72.
The heart rate.
Heart rate 72. Stress 42. Stress.
99% blood oxygen. That's very good. And 13 breaths per minute. So you can actually see everything in one page. You just need to scroll down. Okay, this is very
Wow.
cool. You don't need to go elsewhere.
They got a call too. Okay, let's answer. Hello.
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 Hi, Dory.
Hi.
Hi, we are currently we are on set.
It's very clear. Okay, I don't think so. Okay, bye bye.
Okay, bye bye.
Oh, by the way, do you know that this works for both iPhone and Android?
Oh wow, that's very cool. Like this, both phones can use it.
Yeah,
Now let's play some music. Let's go to the
this is
music.
exciting. You can choose your music.
Oh.
It's quite loud.
Oh, it's very loud.
Weekend. It's quite loud.
Yeah, it's quite loud. Can you guys hear this? Hear from here? Yeah.
Some money. Don't be for my money. Some money. So that's it, guys. Thank you for unboxing with us.
So currently, the AmazeFit GTS 3, GTR 3, and GTR 3 Pro is currently available now. So go get your hands on it. And thank you so much for spending time with us today. And bye-bye.
Bye.